Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Claudette. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel, guys, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, today I'll be doing showing you the stuff I put back my place in the original way before Christmas, and also going shopping a little bit, just to see what's new in the store. So if that interests you, keep on watching. So guys, I finished taking up all the boxes that was on the floor. So everything is back to normal. So this is what it's been looking like before I took up all the boxes were there. Oh, right there. Boxes were here. So now I pick up all the boxes. So this is what it's been looking like from before. So yeah guys, and the boxes were right here. Boxes were over there as well. And the stuff was on the table. So now guys, everything is gone. Here guys, finally. And there was stuff right here, so back to normal. And my doggy came back. Stuff was out here. It's all gone. So yeah guys, all gone. All gone. So everything is back to normal. Normal. So yeah guys, so guys, I leave work at about 2:30. So guys, I'm doing a next project. Not really a project. One of my friend asked me to help her. She's redecorating her place, her condo. So I'm just helping out and looking for some stuff, looking around for some stuff for her. She told me she need picture frame and she need lamps and some other little stuff. She just want to do a refresh with her condo, and it's finished. Her condo is finished, but I'm just shopping around, seeing she wants it to finish before March. So I'm just helping her shopping around to see what I see and making videos, sending to her because she lives far away. She doesn't live close to me, so I'm just sending her videos and see if she likes it. And so far she liked these because I sent it to her and she's so excited. But if she wants to show it on my channel, I will happy to show you the finished product. But for now, I think she just want to be low key and just do it. But as I said, I'll let you know. But these chair guys, green is just green for this season, just looking stunning. Even this chair guys, in the next color is like a goldy or mustard. I don't know what you would call it, but I'll call it like mustard. Very stunning, timeless, traditional. But hey guys, so I'm just browsing around and seeing because she wants lamp as well. She wants like a marble. She wants black or white. She wants to go in the team black or white. So that's what I see for now. And yeah guys, so now I'm going to leave. I'm going home because I have to go do some cooking and I have to go to the gym and all those good jazz. So guys, now I'm on my way out. So this is what I see. So I'll catch you when I get home. So guys, I'm at the gym. I am going to the gym. I usually go on the treadmill first. So I'm gonna hit the gym before I go to sleep. It's about 9, after 9 in the night. As you know, I have a home gym. So I'm gonna go on the treadmill and do the sauna. Yeah, just the treadmill and the sauna and do a little stretching. That's all I'm gonna do tonight because I'm a bit tired. Today is my first back to work, so yeah, guys. So yeah, catch you in a bit. So now, guys, I'm gonna go in the sauna. Guys, this is one of the places I went to have lunch. And when I went to Singapore, it's called Spago Marina Bay Sands, and it's on the 57th floor. This place was just amazing, guys. We went there and have lunch, and it was just amazing. The food, the ambience, the view, guys. I was a bit fearful to go up there in the elevator, but I did it. I just did it. The food was nice. It was worth it, guys. If you ever go visit Singapore, you have to try it. It's called Spago Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. You have to try it if you visit Singapore. The food was delicious.